polka dots stripes, so stinking cute. We're gonna mix that with this bee right here, and we're gonna make it cute as well. Start off with this one in the background. This is the cutest because it's got all the motion. And you want that tail to be about 16 inches. Is a great tail for a smaller wreath. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is bring that to the center right here. Then I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna twist it on just like that. Now hold this with 2 fingers and we're gonna start to make our loops. Go out to 6 inches, okay? It's marked on your bow maker right there for you. Go out to 6, keep it nice and loopy, and just twist that. And look how loopy it is. That is how you want it. I'm gonna come out to 6 on this side. So 1 at 6 on the right, 1 on the left, and twist those. So 6 here. Now cut these. And dovetail them both. Now grab your next one. This is a bee on a check, super duper cute. And dovetail it also. See here? It's a little bit shorter. Twist that in the center, and we're gonna do 3 loops. Instead of the 6, we're gonna go 5.5. 5.5 and twist, and just separate those out. Nice and fluffy. Scrunch it when you get done with your loops. You see how cute that is with the 2 and then the 3? It's really building up really cute. Dovetail this also. And then one of my biggest tricks you can do to improve your bows right this second is take and put this on top. And now we're gonna do our final loop in the middle, okay? So about 12-inch tail this time, a little shorter. Keep that nice and straight, and you're just gonna put 1 little loop in here at 5, about 4.5, a little smaller. 4.5, twist. Let's do 4.5 on this side. Scrunch it down, and you are on the home stretch. Look at that. And let's dovetail this one. Looking cute. Now let's come in and go ahead and take this off the bow maker. So we had 2 loops and 3 loops and 1 loop. Run the cable tie right beside the dowels on the bow maker because it won't fit through the center. Like if you used wire, you can put it through the center, but we're not using wire, we're using a cable tie. And I'm getting it nice and tight, rotating that between my fingers. You're gonna fluff this right up. Just get it all sectioned out. So pretty. Look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Bring those tails down too. We want the tails down and we want all of this moving. And the tails and the loops get separated out so you get this really pretty, it almost makes like a flower with the loops. When I'm all done, I'm flipping that over and I'm adding my attachment cable tie in the back, and you want to cinch that way down. Okay, and just give that a little clip off. Just off and ready to go. And the last and final step is to take your bow and then to cover the mechanics in the center. I'm going to take our little bee. You're going to cut the bee ribbon, cut about a 12-inch piece of it, and you're going to just take and fold that on itself, okay? When it's folded on itself, it's so easy to take and put like a little bee in the center here, and run that down the middle, and that covers up all the mechanics. You can position the bee right in the center and make sure it's really positioned perfectly. Take and put a couple knots here in the back. 1 is going to be good. Sometimes I go for 2. 1 works fine. Cut that off. All right, look what we did. It's adorable.